Hello ladies and gentlemen, today with BK, just a follow-up. We installed that auto stop and start disabler and it's working perfect. I suggest that you get one. This is in my previous video. The link will be put into this video at the end. But what we're going to do today is put on this AFM disabler, and this is the AFM model. I mean, this is the V6 to V4. It's annoying, I think. I don't like it. And I think you want to have full power most of the time, and it's got to be harsh on the actual vehicle over time, because it's back and forth. The torque converter has to cut in and out, and that is what the main reason for these transmissions acting up. So we're going to plug this in and see if we can't get that to stop. So what you do, I'll have the link in the description for this through Amazon. A little breezy out here today. I'll fly around. As you can see, this is called Ultrera. I'm trying to speak it in Spanish. Ultrera, and it's for the ECU, and this is saying V4 V8, but thanks to some previous individuals that have these XT6s, they've tried and true that this will actually do it. But it's not much of it, just there. All it's going to do is put the pins in that disable it. So let's put that in there. Let's get that done. Alright, so we can find it here. Here it is there. Everybody sees it. And it is a simple, just press it on. It actually goes on really well on this vehicle versus the ones like you put on the V8 models. Those go on and stay on pretty tight. This one just kind of sits on there. So we're going to, even though it just shows it for that vehicle, we're going to see what it'll do. Let's make sure it'll remote start. So get my key out here, and there's remote start. It unlocks. Let's take this down the road and see if we can keep it in V6 mode. Okay, so usually it will go into V4, as you can see, V4 there, or V6 there. I'm doing 50, it's in 6th gear. I have barely got my foot on the gas just to see if it'll go into it. It's not changing. It feels nice because if you give it a little gas, it goes really nice. So what we'll do is we'll get on the main roadway out here that's a 55 zone and try to cruise and see if it actually does it then. It doesn't affect the shift points. We're getting up here to the speed limit within specs. Usually right now it'd be in V4 because I have my foot way off the gas, and once we get down over these hills here, I don't think you're going to see too much of a dip in fuel mileage, but for the long-term effects of the way it's going to keep your motor running better and lack of any problems with the lifters. These aren't known for the major problems with lifters. It's really more with that torque converter, because when it's in that V4, it's locking up, unlocking, locking up and unlocking all the time. But right now you're staying in 6th gear, you're driving at V6 mode, it's not doing that. So I think we got it done. Please comment, like, please subscribe. I got some good XT6 followers, subscribers. Thank y'all so much for helping me with my channel. Tell your friends about it, and let's maintain these vehicles together. All right, have a nice day. Today with BK out.